If your goal on YouTube is to get monetized and to start earning, this video is for you. We're going to talk about the things you need to know to enable you to get monetized and the things you need to do to be able to get there. So watch out for that.
Ivy makes her life a show. Yeah. Every day she's on the go. Yeah. Editing clips through the night. Living, dreaming in the light. I'm saying, girl, you live it right, bringing joy to our lives, baby.
Hi guys, this is Hang with Ivy. Karibuni sana for those who are new here. For those who have been here, karibuni tena, and thanks for tuning back in for another episode. So first of all, public watch hours are counted by the videos you've posted publicly, not any video that you posted privately. So if it's public and it's available to the masses out there, then it's counted as being monetized. Another thing that most people don't know about watch hours is every video that has a copyright an issue with copyright, you've used someone's music or someone's content, let's just say that, and YouTube marks it as copyright, that video cannot be monetized. So when you're doing a video that you're posting on YouTube that you want to monetize in the future, I would advise you to remove the sounds that have been put as copyright, or whatever item in your video that has been said to be copyright. You have to remove it if you want that video to be monetized, because sometimes you can get everything you need to get monetized, but by the time you're going back to check how much you're earning, you find that all your videos are not able to be monetized. So it doesn't matter how many views that video has, it's not possible to monetize it. So what do you do if you have a video that has a copyright issue? You don't have to remove it from YouTube, because people don't want to lose the views that they've already gotten. YouTube has a feature, an inbuilt feature that allows you to edit the video on YouTube without deleting it. So your hours will still be there, but they'll start, I think, I'm not sure, they'll start counting from the time that there's no copyright, but you have to do your research on that, don't mark my words. But you can go on YouTube Studio, and if you want more details on how to change it from YouTube Studio, you can let me know down in the comments below and I'll do a tutorial on that. But on YouTube Studio you can be able to remove a sound and add a sound that is inbuilt on YouTube that is not copyrighted. Another thing about watch hours, they count watch hours between 365 days or 12 months or 1 year. So any watch hours outside of that time is not counted as your part of your monetization requirements. So the 4,000 watch hours is 4,000 watch hours in 365 days. So anything outside that 12 month, 1 year, 365 day mark is not counted. So they start subtracting after the 12 months. So people usually rush to get monetized within those 12 months, but if it's not possible, they'll start counting after the 12 months. No, within the 12 months. Yeah. So if you need to know anything else, let me know down in the comment section below, but this video was specifically for the 4,000 watch hours. That was it for this video. We'll see you on the next one. Let me know anything you need me to be touching on this channel.
Bringing joy to our lives, baby.